Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. Today I will draw a watercolor flower wreath for beginners. In this channel, I upload videos on art and positive living. So if you are new in this channel, please consider to subscribe if you are interested on these topics. Or share with your friends who likes these ideas. Please don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I put any new videos on my channel. So let's begin. God has created this nature with so many imperfections. No two flowers are same, nor two leaves or two human beings. Even an identical twins have difference in nature, behavior or personalities. Variations is the greatest quality of nature, yet beauty lies in this divergence. So relax and embrace your imperfections and individual qualities. If you are black or fair, shy or extrovert, chubby or slender, God has created you for a reason. Be yourself first and love every inch of your existence. Only then you can find your true purpose. To live in our society, however, sometimes it becomes difficult to maintain one's individuality. We wear uniform in our schools because all students need to be treated like same, which is true to sustain in any society. Sometimes world may not appreciate our thoughts, nature or personality, though we know we are doing right. If someone consider you ugly, it's their judgment, not yours. However, if you consider yourself ugly, that's your insult towards you, isn't it? So sometimes it's okay to wear uniform only to nourish our individual qualities inside. It's okay to smile rather than be rebel, so that one day when we truly live our individual purpose and contribute to make this world a better place, the world can recognize us as who we truly are. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Hope you have liked this video. I will appreciate if you please share your feedback in the comment section. Please consider subscribing my channel for more art and positive living related videos. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified whenever I put any new videos on my channel. So stay safe, stay healthy, and embrace life creatively. Goodbye.